Hello, good, how are you?
We didn't get a map. What are we gonna do without a map? What are we gonna do without a map?
Who's that?
Are you gonna lead the way? Oh my gosh. You need to sit down.
What's he doing?
This is what it's like to walk a puppy.
Erratic.
Gone are the days of the nice leisurely strolls with Max. Hey y'all,
Hey y'all.
I'm Hannah.
And I'm Jeremy.
And we are the Savory Suitcase.
Yeah.
And we are at Lettuce Lake Park. We just came over here for just a quick Sunday afternoon, kind of stroll around. We wanted to introduce you to our new friend,
Henry.
Henry.
Say hi, Henry.
We adopted him about a week ago, and he is getting to know us and getting to know everything around us. It's a lot happening here right now,
Yeah.
so he's a little distracted.
Lots of kids and bikes and families running around. And
But we wanted to just kind of check in and just film kind of a brief video here at the park, just to kind of let you guys know that we are going to take probably about a 3-week break. We had some plans for things that we were going to do.
2020 has changed a lot of things. 2020 has taken a lot of things. It's given a lot of things.
Yeah.
So we're just trying to
We're kind of rolling with the punches.
We're just
if
trying to
you
roll
will.
with the punches. Friendships have changed. Relationships in general have changed throughout this year.
Yeah. And our ability to plan anything.
Yeah.
So we just kind of decided that, we want to kind of focus the next couple of weeks on making sure that he's really well trained and, giving us a little bit of time to regroup and
get through the holidays and kind of spend time, as much distant time as we can with our family. I know a lot of people are deciding that distance with their family for the holidays isn't for them. For us, unfortunately, it is a necessity that we spend, as equally distant as we can from them as possible in order to keep everybody safe. So
we did want to just kind of relive what the year has been like. So as you guys know, we just started vlogging pretty much at the beginning of January of this year. So it's kind of a rough year to have started a travel vlog, and I think that's why we originally started as just Hannah and Jeremy travel, and then switched to the Savory Suitcase.
Yeah.
Because we wanted to do cooking videos as well, give us more of a chance to share a little bit of our joy for cooking.
The new sous chef has been hired.
Yeah, so we have the new sous chef. He is very food motivated, so...
That's putting it lightly.
Yeah. But, let's kind of relive some of the few videos that we've made this year. She said look at it upside down.
You got to reach all the way out, though. What are you trying to do? Touch the tip?
I think this
better.
is the shortest lighthouse I've ever been to.
Yeah, definitely short. It's smaller. It's not your typical design. Not your typical.
Really sassy today, which is totally fine.
A man and his waterfalls. I don't even think we've gotten to the top yet.
We are in the middle of a field of sunflowers.
Doesn't that get heavy?
So what he didn't realize is that the Reese's macaque monkey likes to swim. So he thought that they would be contained on that island and they wouldn't go anywhere else other than there. But
bumpy.
Very bumpy. You can gently smear it around if you'd like. Towards you, towards us. 1, 2. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I burned my finger and I jumped. Scout cookies?
Okay, I will just 100% tell y'all that biking and vlogging is not on the list of things that I am capable of doing. Is this the Loch Ness Monster?
Correct.
I'm gonna feed you to a dinosaur!
Oh, the betrayal.
I would never.
The betrayal, Mommy. The betrayal.
Do you want to go to Spooky Town?
What is Spooky Town? Oh, no.
Nightmare fuel.
Oh, God. Okay, bye.
Bye. We did it. Oh, now we're going. Striking resemblance. It's beautiful though. You like the waterfall, bud? Thank you so much for reliving this year with us. We hope you enjoyed kind of seeing clips of the old videos and sort of how we've changed over this year.
You know, truth be told, I think we both learned a lot. We've learned about things that we like about doing this and things that we're not so fond of that we've been able to overcome. But I think one thing remains consistent, and that's how much we appreciate all of you.
Yeah,
I know we don't have a lot of subscribers, a lot of followers, but the ones that we've been able to gain over the last 9 months.
We've made some really genuine connections with some of you guys, and I think that's really important to us. So.
So we thank you for that. That's why we keep doing it, you know, and you know, we always like feedback. We always want to hear what we should do and what we should try and places we should go and see and food we should try.
Be sure to join us tomorrow at 2 p.m. On December 20th, if you're watching this today, which is December 19th. But we will be live. We're going to be making some gingerbread houses.
Just having fun, chit-chatting. Join us, ask us any questions you want to ask, and
so
do like a live AMA sort of thing.
Yeah, so join us for that. Yeah. And then we'll see you again. I think our next video we're going to post on January 9th. So give us a few weeks to kind of hang out, enjoy the holidays. We hope you all have a wonderful holiday season with your families, and safe and happy New Year's.
And good Lord, please let's hope 2021 is nothing like 2020.
Yeah. Put it out there. So thank you so much for watching, subscribing, and We'll see.
Bye-bye.
We'll see you next year.
Bye-bye.
Bye.